can we make an object render smooth? For example, we have a cube, but in the render it looks like a smooth core. This means we want the object to look smooth without adding faces or division, keeping the same project size and object volume. Select the object, go to the attribute editor on the right side of the Maya, and find the Redshift section. Enable the main option there. Once enabled, the object will render smooth. Below that, there is a screen space adaptive, which smooths based on the camera distance. The further the object is, the less smooth it is. The closer it is, the more. For example, we can set it to level 6, which controls how much smoothing happens. You can increase and decrease this level. If you have many objects and want all of them smooth in the render, doing this one by one takes too long. So easier way is to select all your object, go to the Redshift menu at the top of the Maya, then Object Properties, and choose Create Mesh Parameters node for selection. This adds a node to all selected objects, and all the smoothing attributes are inside this node. This way, the setting applies to all objects at once. If you don't see the members, right-click the node and choose Show Set Members. For new objects, if you want them smooth too, for example, you add a new object and you want it smooth too, just drag them into the same group. Now they will render smooth automatically. If you have many things in Outliner, it's really difficult to find your object or anything that you want to work with that. So, to make it easier, right-click and choose Show Tag Objects Only. Now only objects like cameras, lights, and ones we want to work with are visible.